Welcome back to part 3 of 4 videos on the channel called CAD with Mr. Hugh. We are doing the construction of the ellipse and we thank you for joining us. We'll be starting the video. We're going to turn on snap. If we turn off snap again. And alright, so we'll go again. From to turn on snap. So from there, turn off the snap to there. That is 26. Let us move it down. 26.66. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're going to this information would be 20 times 4 divided by 3. All right. So we're gonna see if we can fit it. All right. So the next point would be 30. So we'd have to multiply 30 by 4 upon 3. So we're going to go 30 times 4 equal divide by 3. That's 40 millimeters, right? So we want a construction line which is 40 millimeters from the directrix, all right? So line, they're going up, enter. All right, so we need a radius which is 30, right? So we're gonna go arc, center, radius here would be 30. All right. So we're gonna do the same thing above. Start. This radius would be 30. So 30 times 4.3. So 30 times 4 equal divide by 3 equal 40. Good. So we're gonna type 30, enter, and then there is a R. All right. So the next point, the radius would be 40 millimeters, right? So we can go 40 times 4 equal divide by 3 equal 53.33. So we're gonna draw a line from the directrix coming over 53.33, enter. Then we're gonna go up. We'll go up, click there, press enter, and that's it. All right. Now we're gonna extend the line down, right? So we're going to extend the line. All right. So what we're gonna do now, we're going to draw an arc. Okay. So we go arc, start, center, end. So we're gonna come here. This radius will be 30. Let's see. Let's measure this measurement and see what is up. Right? Oh, we got 50, 53, right? So that must be radius. Let us measure this radius and see what's happening. So we're gonna go to our dimensions. We're gonna measure the arc, the radius. So this, we're gonna turn off snap. Right, so we did the radius 30 already. Is the radius 40 we were doing a while ago, right? So 40 times 4 equal, divide by 3 equal. Right, so we have the 53. So the radius that we need now is 40. Center, 40, enter, and there is a 40, all right? We're gonna do the same thing below, okay? So we're gonna go arc, start, center, end, start. This distance will be 40, enter, and we mark it just like that, all right? All right, the next art that we're gonna draw is the radius 50. So what we're gonna do, all right, so let me label it 30 line. So we're gonna go linear measurement, gonna turn on node, snap, and we're gonna go from here to there, and it was 40. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna show the calculation how we got the 40. All right, so this was 30 times 4 divided by 3. All right. All right, the next one we did was this one. So we're gonna go dimension, linear dimension. I'm gonna go from there. I'm gonna turn off snap. I'm gonna turn on ortho. All right. So what we're gonna do, this is 40 times 4 divided by 3. All right, so here's a radius. So we can put on this radius, okay? All right, so we're going to indicate this radius. So we go linear arc, radius. So we click here. And there is a radius, which is 40. Then the next one we're going to do is radius 50. So 50 times 4 equal divided by 3 is 66.6, all right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna measure from the directrix 66.6. So we're gonna go change to our construction layer, and then we're gonna go line from the directrix. We're gonna come over 66.66, enter. Then we're gonna go up, enter. We're gonna extend the line below the horizontal line that represents the axis. I'm gonna just come here and carry this down like this. All right, just like that. All right, we're gonna save what we have. All right, so that is, so I need a arc. So go center. This distance will be 50 and it will be the last point that we are plotting. All right, so there it is. I'm gonna draw an arc below. And this radius would be 50. All right. So what we're gonna do now, we have the points, right? What I can actually do is turn off the dimensions, the dimension layer, right? And there are the points a little bit more clear now. Or let us turn on the dimension, right? We need to put some of these lines on the construction tool layer, these arcs. And these vertical lines. All right, so we're gonna put these on the construction tool layer, all right? So we're gonna turn off the dimension layer as I told you, right? There it is, and we have the points there, all right. So what we're gonna do now, this should be on the dimension layer. All right, so what we're gonna do now, we're going to go to our outline, the curve layer, spline here. So we're gonna come here, there, 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 there. Right, so this is our ellipse. So let us label the point P. So go to our text layer, single line text, and right here would be capital, the height is 8, this would be P. All right. Now, this is our ellipse. So if you want, we have come to the end of part 3, looking at the construction of the ellipse. In the next video, we will be finishing the curve on the ellipse and we'll be drawing the tangent and normal to the ellipse which we have drawn. We thank you for joining us. Take care. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.